You can draw one eye, but why does the second always fail? Problem number one is the method. Instead of drawing both eyes step by step and simultaneously, you finish one eye first, and after that, you can no longer construct the second properly, so the two eyes end up not matching. Problem number two is practice. Be honest, how many times have you drawn just one eye? And how many times both eyes together? Compare those numbers. It's like your dominant and non-dominant hand. One has years of practice, the other doesn't. Yes, some people are ambidextrous, but that's about 1%. Practice alone will work, but slowly. Method without practice doesn't work at all. Only the combination works. Okay, how do we fix this? Let's begin. There are several ways to draw. 1. From life. If possible, find a model or draw yourself using a mirror. 2. From memory. If you already have enough visual information in your head. I don't, so I'll be using a reference to clarify details, not to copy exactly. Now the key point. Understanding the logic of building a symmetrical structure. So it doesn't matter whether you follow my steps exactly or find your own. What matters is that both eyes are constructed together as a single structure. First, mark the central vertical axis. Everything you do for one eye immediately transfers to the other. Always build symmetry. A lot of people say the distance between the eyes should equal the width of one eye. Sometimes that works, but not always. Real human proportions vary. There is a not universal rule. Instead of blindly following such rules, always check your proportions against your reference. Now let's talk about unhealthy tricks. Copy and paste. In real life, this can be achieved with the use of tracing, but tracing the eye does not teach you how to draw it. It can transfer the shape fast, but it does not develop your eye nor your muscle memory. The solution? Do not trace the second eye. Build both eyes simultaneously, stage by stage. Ruler. It does part of the job for you, but it does not give you the kind of living line that the hand gives you. The solution? Do not use a ruler. Draw by hand, even for the guidelines. Keep it light, do not press hard, so you can easily correct any inaccuracy. Now I've marked the crankles so I can find the center of the eyeball. After every stage, stop, look at the result, and if needed, correct it right away. That is exactly why drawing stage by stage matters. I measure the angle with my pencil right from the reference and transfer it to the drawing to find the highest point of the upper eyelid. I do the same for the lowest point of the lower eyelid. Now I draw in the eye opening. One more quick check for all the distances. Now I measure the iris circles. You will find a more detailed explanation of eye construction in my video. The link is on the screen. Then we build the eyelids, the brow ridge area, and the eyebrows. We finish with the lower eyelids. Only when both eyes are built correctly and simultaneously do we move on to the next stage, shading. Light and shadow depend on the light source. So always look at your reference. Where is the brightest light and where is the darkest shadow? If you are not sure, squint. That simplifies the form and makes the interplay between light and shadow easier to see. Pick your brightest spot and your primary shadow. That hierarchy keeps the drawing unified, otherwise the drawing falls apart. To avoid smudging graphite, right-handed artists usually hatch from upper left to lower right, and left-handed artists the other way around. Or just place a clean sheet of paper under your hand. And one more important thing, shade in layers. First one layer, then check it, then the next layer. That way you can correct something at any point without unnecessary trouble. Done. Now you do not have one eye plus a problem. You have both eyes working as a one singular structure. In the next video I will show you how to draw all three eyes. Just kidding. In the next video I will show you how to draw eyes from different angles. And if you want a more detailed step-by-step breakdown of the eye structure, watch the video link on screen. See you there!